Open your browser, search for kalilinux, open the official link, which is also available in the description, click on Download, then select Installer Images. Scroll down, you will find Installer. Click Download. Now, open another tab and search for VirtualBox. Go to the official link, which you will also find in the description. Click Download, then download Windows hosts. Once both files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, run the VirtualBox exe file, click Next, accept the license agreement, leave everything as default, click Next, and then click Install. After installation finishes, open VirtualBox. This is how VirtualBox looks. Click New. Name your virtual machine, and select the Kali Linux ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click Next. Adjust the base memory and number of CPUs depending on the green indicator suitable for your system. Minimum memory is 512 MB, and minimum CPUs are 2. For disk size, choose based on your available space. The minimum required to run Kali Linux is 20 gigabytes. Click Next, then click Finish. Now go to Settings, then Display, and set video memory to 128 MB. Click OK. Now start the virtual machine. You can switch to full screen by going to View and selecting Full Screen Mode. Use your keyboard to select Graphical Install, select your language, then Continue. Select your country, then your keyboard layout. The system will start configuring. Enter a host name. You can leave the domain name blank. Enter your name. In this example, I'll enter Kali. Now create a username and password. Make sure you remember them because you will need them every time you log in. Select your clock region. Add partition disk, choose Use entire disk, then Continue and leave the default option. Here, change the option to Yes so it installs to the disk. Leave everything else as default and continue the installation process. Will take about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your system. Select Yes to install Grub. If you skip this step, your virtual system may fail to boot. After that, select the disk location of your virtual drive. Then continue to reboot. After rebooting, enter your username and password and log in. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Kali Linux all by yourself. And here you can see all the cybersecurity tools already installed. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment your next topic, and subscribe to the channel.